like it's cheap, not for buying in the shop. You buy expensive one. Let me show you. I want to open an account. Yeah, motalk. We use motalk, ne? We go like this. Let's go. Let me sign in. I don't have an account. Yeah, my name is amazing. Yeah, but don't copy my password, yo. Yeah. And like let's do it. Let's go. And let me use my phone number. Don't call me, eh? Sorry. Call me if you want. 03 59 20 347. I think I'm done. Let me get it into this sheet, you know. I don't take time. It will send a code now. Let's wait some minutes. Yeah, it's taking time. Why? That's pushy. Hello. Yeah. It's done. Verify code. Enter your pin. Yeah, don't copy my pin. I'll change it. Let me just put for now. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'm done. Thank you. Allow. Okay. Allow. Yeah, now amazement. You see, I have an account. I can send money anywhere. Let me show you. Yeah, me, I'm from Zimbabwe. I want to send money from Zimbabwe. Let me show you. Let me go Zimbabwe, my country. Phone like order. I want to buy for what? Net one, Telcom, Econet, Zesa, Zimbabwe. So me, most of people they want Econet, you know. Let me go to Econet. Yeah, let me select amount. Yeah, it's cheap, ne? Yeah, like $1. Is it? I don't know, it's dollar or what. This one, 25 rand. It's one. Yeah, 21 rand is $1. 43 rand is $2. 56 rand is $3. 87 is $4. 199 rand is $5. 131 is $6. 153 is $7. 170 is too much. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. If you do like this, you are done. And put the number of someone you want to send, or I don't know which number, and send it will be successful. Thank you. But me, I don't have anything because I opened now account. Thank you. Goodbye. God bless you.